Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x cosine 5x dx. Okay, this integral you can use using the formula for integration by part. That is, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here if I define x as u, therefore dx will be equal to du. Okay, and I define cosine 5x dx as dv, therefore v will be equal to integral of cosine 5x dx, which will be equal to 1 divided by 5 sine 5x. Okay, so here, if it's not clear for you how to calculate the integral of cosine 5x, just write for me in the comment section and I will explain for you how to do that. So in any case, so now you have these equations, you need to substitute this equation into this formula. So that will be equal to, so integral of u dv will be equal to uv, that is u is x, v is 1 divided by 5 times sine 5x. Okay, so that means uv will be equal to x divided by 5 times sine 5x minus integral of v du, and v is equal to 1 divided by 5 sine 5x integral of v du, and du according to this equation is equal to dx, so I just simply write here dx. Therefore this integral will be equal to x divided by 5 sine 5x minus 1 divided by 5 is constant, I just write and take it out of the integral, and the integral of sine 5x is equal to minus 1 divided by 5 cosine 5x. That you can have it from the table of integral. But as I said here, if it's not clear for you how to calculate the integral of sine 5x, write for me in the comment section and I will explain for you how to do that. And plus c, that's the constant of the integral. So that will be equal to x divided by 5 sine 5x, minus times minus is plus, 1 divided by 5 times 1 divided by 5 is 1 divided by 25 cosine 5x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that's the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.